2 things to turn off on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Then, tap on Analytics and Improvements. Now, toggle off Share iPhone Analytics. So why should you turn this off? By disabling this setting, you're preventing your iPhone from sending usage data to Apple. This gives you more control over your personal information, reduces background activity, and can slightly improve battery life. Secondly, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Next, tap Location Services, scroll all the way down and select System Services. Then, tap Significant Locations. You'll be asked to authenticate using Face ID or your passcode. Now, simply toggle off significant locations. So why turn this off? Your iPhone uses significant locations to track the places you visit most often. It's used for things like traffic predictions and photo memories, but some people prefer to keep that location data private. Turning it off gives you more control over your privacy. And that's it. You've now turned off both Share iPhone Analytics and significant locations on your iPhone. These simple changes can go a long way in protecting your privacy, reducing background data usage, and giving you more control over what your device shares. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and privacy guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.